Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna show you what's the location of the fuse for the O2 sensor for 2004 Infiniti G35 from 2003 until 2007. So I just buy some fuse from Walmart. Let's go and show you what is the location for that. What is the O2 sensor for 2004 Infiniti G35 from 2003 until 2007? So the sensor for the O2 sensor is gonna be on this side, so you have to remove all this plastic. And you have a box cover like that, and the box right here. So what we're gonna do on this side here, you gotta count until 5. So if 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th one is the O2 sensor, the fuse for this model. Just check it out carefully. And it's gonna be number 15 fuse, 1, 2, 3 from here until here. And you see to the box here, if you see in the box, number O2 sensor is here. See it? O2 sensor, number 15, number the fuse, voltage. Okay guys, you see the really easy location. Okay, so it's the end of the video guys. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. See ya.